Alrighty, hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a tutorial on how to make your own CBD coconut oil in a crock pot, and then we are going to show you how to use that to make your own organic CBD dog treats. The coconut oil has been asked for a couple times just because it can be used for a number of different things. You can use it for baking and cooking like we're going to do, or you can also use it for salves if you have pain and stuff, which is really awesome. I have made some that I use for cramp cream, which is beyond amazing and super helpful. You can use it for pretty much anything you want. It's a lot cheaper to make it yourself than it is to buy one of those like little tiny containers for like $50, whereas you can buy an ounce and 1 quart of coconut oil, which is what we're going to use today, and it creates quite a bit for you that'll last a while, okay? And then we're going to use that to turn it into CBD coconut oil dog treats that are going to be all organic. These are really handy if your dog is anything like mine and suffers from social anxiety, separation anxiety. He has a really bad habit of chewing at himself when he's anxious. We've tried so many different types of medicines and solutions from the vet which just don't help very well. So CBD is our next option, which is going to be really awesome and a lot healthier than a lot of medications. So we're really excited about that as well, okay? So keep watching. You are gonna need a few different things for this video. For the coconut oil, you would need a crock pot, 1 quart of coconut oil, and 1 ounce of flour. And then for your dog treats, you're gonna do 2 large sweet potatoes, half a cup of coconut flour, half a cup of your CBD coconut oil, and 1 egg. And this created about 24 different sized dog treats, so it creates quite a few, and you can always freeze the dog treats for later because they don't have any preservatives in them, so they aren't going to stay good for all that long. So it's handy to be able to keep them long term, okay? So get ready if you want to keep watching and see how we do it. Alrighty guys, we're going to start out by baking 2 large sweet potatoes at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. We're then going to bake our buds just like last time on about 250, just for like 10 or 15 minutes. And then we're going to grind it up in our handy dandy coffee grinder so that we can put it into our coconut oil. Alright, for this next part, you can use any kind of coconut oil. We used an already liquid coconut oil just because it's a little bit easier. And then you're going to put your bud in there and let it sit for 24 hours. Stir it all up to make sure it's mixed very well. You're only going to want to stir it once or twice while it's sitting in there because the crock pot doesn't need to be stirred as much as the butter did. Alrighty guys, just like we did with our butter, we are going to strain that coconut oil through cheesecloth to get all of those chunks out because we do not want any chunks in our food or anything. It will not taste good. Alrighty, and then just like we did with our CBD butter tutorial, you are going to strain it through the cheesecloth and then squeeze that cheesecloth to get any excess liquid out of there. Alrighty, it's gonna look really dark at first, but I promise once we refrigerate it again, it will get that beautiful green color that we love. Alrighty, for this next part, you're gonna wanna mash up your sweet potatoes just like mashed potatoes. Add all your ingredients together and mix well. You're gonna roll it out just like cookie dough and cut out your little doggy treats. You wanna bake them at 375 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. They're not going to harden right away, so you're going to want to lay them out until they fully cool. Now give to your doggos and watch them enjoy and relax. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Good girl.
Hi.
Eva, up, up.
You leave it to me. I'll get your taxes in the middle of the day.
So he wanted to sit on the ottoman, so he gets to, just for right now. Oh! Good puppy. Good puppy. Sit. Hey. Hey, sit. Sit. Good boy.